Here we're given a couple of correspondences. We're asked to find the domain, the range for each correspondence, and then to answer the question, does it represent a function? So these are ordered pairs, or points in the Cartesian plane. So to determine the domain, remember the domain is all of the x values, the range is all of the y values. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each of the points, each of the x values for the points, and I'm going to put them into a set called the domain. So we're going to take the 1, the 9, the -7, the 4, and the -5. We'll put them into a set. Then we do the same with the y values. Okay, so each of the y values will go into a set called the range. So again, I took the 10, the -8, the -2, the +2, the -1. So this is our domain. This is our range. And now we're going to see if this represents a function. Now remember what a function means. It means that each input, each element from the domain goes to exactly one thing in the range. I especially like this way of drawing the function because I can see very clearly from these arrows that this is a function. 1 is going to one thing, 9 is going to one thing, -7 to one thing, right? Each of these only has one arrow going to something else. Okay, so this is a function. Let's try the same for the second correspondence. So we're going to take each of these x values and put them into a domain. Notice that we have a -4 repeated. Okay, that's usually a sign that it's not going to be a function. And what I'm going to do with this notation is I'm not going to put a -4 in the domain. I'm just going to put unique numbers in this domain set. So again, I only have one -4 in there. Then I'm going to take my y values, put them into the range. Again, if there were repeats in the range, I would only put unique values in. There are no repeats here. Then we'll put in the arrows. Okay, so -4 goes to -10. Okay, according to this point, 4 goes to 6. 1 goes to 0. -4 goes to 4. And we can stop right there, actually. I mean, we can put this arrow in for the 10, -2, but we already know the answer. Since -4 goes to two things, this is not a function.